Okay, this is in the store. It's purple cabbage. I figured I'm going to make some red sauerkraut. So now all I gotta do is wash this, pour it, and weigh it. See if I can pour it. Cutting in quarters first. Well, most of it anyway. Okay, so now let's find out how heavy this cabbage is with the core removed, most of it. 1504 grams, or say 1500 grams. So 1500 times 0.025 equals 37.5 grams of salt I need. Look at the scale then. Zero that. And 1 second. Okay, that's 39, close enough. Take the outer leaves off, set them off to the side. So something about these purple cabbages, quite often you'll get blue liquid from them. That's normal, don't worry about it. Cabbage is perfect. Okay, I got this set up to shred, so let's get it shredded. That thing's too full, so I'll get this into the bowl here, and we'll shred the rest. So in order to get the salt mixed in nice and evenly, I'm going to put some of this in and then add some salt. It doesn't seem like a lot of salt. It didn't when I made the green cabbage either. Alright, that's the salt in there. And get the rest of it ready. The rest of this in here, stir it up some more. And then let it sit for half an hour or so to get the salt, start liquefying things. In the meantime, I'll clean this mess up. That salt's had a good half an hour to start softening this up. Now comes the workout part. Brush this stuff and try to get all the juices out. Alright, that's 20 minutes of working it, but lots of liquid taken out of there, hopefully enough. So I'm going to scoop it into the scoop drain. 1 gallon jar I have. I use this for fermenting and curing. Works pretty well. I could put it in jars, but you get better distribution that way, I think. Some cabbage leaves on top to help keep everything below my plate. stretch this way. I hope that bag's big enough. And this is 2.5% brine too, not just pure water. Seal it off. Okay, I'll put this away, cover it with a towel, come back every now and again, pull this out, push it down, see if I can get the liquid to come to the top. Okay, 4 hours later, I've got lots of liquid over top. It's even pretty much covered even the outer side cabbage leaves, so we'll be good. Okay, now, yeah, see, it's completely covered now. That's great. It's almost 24 hours, no, not even 24 hours. And it pushed the rest of that juice out pretty good. Okay, this has been fermenting for 16 days. Had a taste. It's starting to lose its crunch, so I better stop unless I want it real soft. It is a bit salty, so next time instead of 2.5% salt, maybe I'll go 2%. Anyways, now I'm going to get these leaves out and then get them in the jars. Okay, let's get them in the jars here. I got 5 pints of sauerkraut out of this 1 head of cabbage. So I'll get these lids on. These are going in the fridge, so I'm just going to use these lids. You could use the bands and lids for normal canning, but apparently these kind of rust on you doing that. I don't know why. But the other thing is, instead of doing this, putting in the fridge, you can water bath can these. With raw pack, 500 milliliters or 1 pint, it's 20 minutes at 1,000 feet, and for quarts it's 25 minutes at 1,000 feet. And of course, you adjust for altitude. It's 5 minutes for every 1,000 feet. Okay, and for hot pack, it's only 10 minutes for pints and 15 minutes for quarts. So anyway, that's that. Okay, sauerkraut's actually a really good introduction to fermenting. It's very easy to make. Now, you can use 1.5 to 2.5% salt. I went with 2.5. It's kind of salty, so next time I'm going to go with 2%. And so anyway, I hope you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, goodbye.